A very bright morning to all my dear students. I wish hello to everyone. Here, wishing you all a day full of sunny smiles and happy thoughts. So, children, today we will start our chapter 13 of English grammar, and the name of the chapter is Punctuation. Okay, children, let's start our chapter with the definition of punctuation. So, what is punctuation? Punctuation is the use of various signs or marks in written language. Every sentence includes some type of punctuation or end marks. So, children, what is punctuation? Punctuations are the signs or marks in English written language. So children, let's see some examples of punctuations. Some marks of punctuations are full stop, comma, question mark, marks of exclamation. So children, here you can see the mark of or the sign of full stop is here, the sign of comma is here, the sign of question mark is here, and the sign of exclamation is here. So children, all these marks are the part of punctuation. Okay? Now, let us see some examples. Read the following sentences and observe the use of punctuation marks. Now children, let us read these sentences and let us see the use of these punctuation marks. First, wow, what a beautiful dress. So here you can see the comma is used and the exclamation mark is used. Okay. So children, exclamation mark is used where we show a sudden emotion or a strong feeling. So here you can see the emotion or the feeling has been shown to a beautiful dress. So that's why we have put an exclamation mark and here we have put comma. Now let's see second one. Did you finish your homework? Question mark. Now here in this sentence you can see the question is being asked. So that's why at the end we have put question mark. Okay. Now let's see third one. I play football, comma, cricket and badminton. Full stop. So here the choices have been given. Okay. So that's why we have put comma here and at the end we have put full stop. Now let's see fourth. He said, comma. Children, these are the signs of inverted commas. Okay. So this is called inverted comma open and this is known as inverted comma close. So when we say some specific thing to someone, we quote that thing in a inverted commas. Okay. So let's read the sentence. He said, I am better now. Okay. So this have been put in inverted commas. So inverted comma is also part of punctuation. Okay. Now next very important thing is, let's read. Also observe that we always start a sentence with a capital letter. We must also use capital letters for proper nouns. Now children, this is very important thing and most of you all make mistakes in this. Okay. So children, always keep in mind whenever you start a sentence, you always start with capital letter. Okay. And after full stop also, you start the line with capital letter only. Okay. Now the next thing where you will put a capital letter is where you will use proper nouns. I hope proper nouns is clear to everyone. Okay children? Okay. Now let us read about the use of some punctuation marks. First is the full stop. The most common punctuation mark is the period or full stop. A period is used at the end of a sentence that makes a statement or tells a fact or tells someone what to do. For example, there is a huge banyan tree in the neighborhood, full stop. So children, where is full stop used? Full stop is also known as period. Okay, so period or full stop. For where we use period or full stop? At the end of the sentence. ठीक है, जो हमें fact बताए, सच्चाई बताए, और tell someone what to do, या किसी को कुछ बताए कि आपको क्या करना है. ठीक है. For example, there is a huge banyan tree in the neighborhood. Full stop. So here you can see the person is telling about the fact that they have a banyan tree in the neighborhood. That's why they have put full stop. Now let's see second one. The question mark. A question mark is used as an end mark with sentences that asks a question. For example, how long shall we wait at the bus stop? So children, this is the mark of question mark, and as I have already told you that this mark is put where we ask the question. Okay. So children, you can see a question is being asked. How long shall we wait at the bus stop? Question mark. So here the question mark, the question has been asked. So that's why we have put a question mark. Now let's switch on to third one. The exclamation mark. We use an exclamation mark when expressing a strong emotion or surprise, or when we have something exciting to say. For example, alas, the dog is hurt. So children, I have already explained you where you put exclamation mark. Okay, so where you show a strong emotion, surprise, or when we have something exciting to say, we use exclamation mark. Okay, so here you can see the example also. Alas. Alas means it is a way of saying when you feel pity or when you feel sad for someone, you use this word, alas. Okay, so alas, the dog is hurt. So here you can see the dog is hurt. That's why this word has been used, and alas, after that the exclamation mark has been put. Okay. Now let's see the fourth one, and it is the comma. We use a comma when we want to pause between words or group of words. Commas are used. Okay children, so where we use comma? When we want to give a pause, जब हम कहीं रुकना चाहते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम क्या लगाते हैं? Comma. Okay, and when you read, during reading also, when there is comma, always give a small pause. Okay, or where there is a group of words, like as I have already given you the examples, when we give choices. Okay, so there also we put comma. Now let's see the example. After introductory words such as yes, no, well, oh. So here also we always put comma. So wherever you are using such words, always put comma after them. If you are using yes, then put comma after it. If you are using no, put comma after it. If you are using well, then put comma after it. And when you are using oh, then also you put comma. Next, where you put comma? To separate the name of person or people you address from the rest of the sentence. Okay, so let's see the example. Sameer, what are you waiting for? जब हम किसी के कुछ क्वेश्चन स्पेसिफिकली किसी से पूछते हैं, जब नाम लेके पूछते हैं, तो उस नाम के आगे हम कॉमा लगाते हैं और फिर हम क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं. ओके, कम हियर स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, या हम किसी को एड्रेस करते हैं किसी चीज़ के लिए तो भी हम कॉमा लगाते हैं. Okay children, now let's read the last line of the chapter, which says, a comma marks a short pause in a speech. It makes the meaning of a sentence clearer. Okay, so where we put comma? When we have to give a short pause between the words, then we put comma. Okay, why we put comma? Because it makes the meaning of the sentence clear.
Thank you children. I hope the chapter is clear to you all.